Hi everyone, how's it going? I, for one, am so excited to be a part of IWD Celebration 2020. And on that note, I welcome you to an icebreaker session. Great. So I guess introductions are in order. My name is Supriya. I am a WTM ambassador and also a GTG organizer of Hubli. Also, I work as a software engineer at Sony. Here with me today is Divya, and we both are going to host the session for you. So I'm sure all of you are ready to have some fun and unwind. Over to you, Divya.
Hey everyone, hope you're doing good besides the COVID 19. So, I'm Divya Krishna, Ambassador of Women Tech Makers Coimbatore and co organizer of GDG Coimbatore. So, I work as a senior content executive at Wakil Search. So, people, we are going to entertain you by having a very fun and interesting game session. So, let me introduce you to this game. I'll be asking a few would you rather questions, and each question will have two options wherein you will have to pick either one and comment your choice in the chat window. So, I think it will be so much fun for us to know what each other thinks, even though we are not in an offline setting. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Supriya, are you ready and excited?
Oh, yes, I for sure am.
Okay, so let's dive into our first question. My first question to you all is would you rather work from home or work from office? So let's see the chat box flooding. Yeah, in the meantime, Supriya, please tell me which one do you prefer? Work from home or work from office?
Well, I would rather work from office because I am an extrovert who likes hanging around people, talking to people. Yeah, so that would be my choice. Awesome.
Okay. Uh,
Hi, Suhas. Thank you for your opinion. Neha says work from home. Bhumika says work from office. High five. Awesome. Ria also says work from office.
I think you guys
Divya, what
have the same wavelength.
Divya, what would you choose?
Well, probably work from office because I'm really
Awesome.
bored being at home.
Yeah, yeah, happens. So nice to hear from you guys. And I'm very sure you're ready for your next question. So here we go.
Yeah.
So, would you rather be a person who specializes in one thing and be known for it, or be a jack of all but king of none?
Okay, so I would love to keep my learnings in a very broader way. So I prefer to choose Jack of all but Queen of none. Yeah,
Awesome. Well, even I have the same opinion.
great.
Let's see what others think.
Here, Vasha,
Hi,
Jack of
Varsha.
all. Okay.
Jack of all. Nice. Well, Neha says specialize in one thing. That is good too.
Uday, Tanya. Oh, Jack of all. Oh, high five, people. Okay, so Supriya, shall we move on to the next question?
Of course, sure.
Okay, so would you rather read minds or be able to see the future?
Hmm. Well, before I answer, I would like to see some views out there while I think because this is very tricky for me.
Definitely, yeah, I agree.
Being
Both.
in the both
Oh,
is not an option that you'll have to choose any one. So while that goes on, I have always had this dream ki if someone comes and asks me what would be your mutant power, I would always go for read minds. So yeah, that is my answer.
great. Shilpa, read minds. I
Wow,
think there are
awesome.
so many
So many of
people.
you want to read minds.
Yes.
Cool.
Okay, Supja, let's see what you have for me.
Yes. So loving the energy, guys. So nice to see all of you giving your opinions on so many topics, and I feel like I'm friends with some of you. Yeah, I can read minds, maybe. So the next question is: would you rather be the first person to explore a planet, or be the inventor of a drug that cures a deadly disease?
Well, I think I would prefer to be the inventor of a drug that cures a deadly disease because, most importantly, I think being the inventor of the drug that cures a deadly disease is must required, especially in this COVID-19 season. So, besides that, on a lighter note, I will be appreciated and recognized all over the world for putting an end to this pandemic. Yeah,
Awesome. So nice.
inventor of a drug, Bharati. Great.
Great.
Okay.
Soumya says inventor of surgery. Shubhangi also tells inventors. So nice to hear from you.
Such great
So on
energy.
your
Okay.
front, since no one is speaking, I would choose Planet Explorer. Hi Prachi, hi Fi, so nice. We both connect.
Great.
But Vishal
Okay.
says both are dangerous. Nice.
Great. Okay. So ready for the next question, friends? Okay, here we go. Would you rather have an easy job but working for someone else or work so hard but for yourself?
Well,
Which one do
again, I
you
would
pick?
love to hear from all of you before we give our opinions. Come on, guys, tell us what you feel.
I'm very excited.
Well, I will leap here and answer the question. So, I would rather work for someone else because that is what I'm doing now currently. So, yeah, I would like to have the easier job of working for someone else than work hard for myself.
Great. Okay, work hard but for myself. Okay. Neha, work hard for
Hi,
yourself.
Arshia. So nice to see your reply. Hi, Samir.
I think there is a combination of both the options. I think.
Of course, yeah. Well, that is the whole point of this game. You'll have to have a mixed crowd, and I think this
Yeah.
is a great opportunity to have that. Awesome. So
Okay.
let's move on. Your next question is: would you rather be in an era where technology was not invented, or where there is futuristic technology?
Um, okay, so I prefer to live in the era where there's no technology because I know most of us have started thinking in the digital well-being. So at least I would love to live in a world without any technology for at least one day.
Awesome. That is such a nice thought, to just pause from everything and take a break. Yeah,
True,
that would
true.
be.
Come on, people, tell us more by participating in the comment section.
Hi, Nishita. Futuristic tech. Wow, I share the opinion too.
Oh, where technology is not invented. Okay.
Wow, so many amazing answers from all of you. Well, I feel like we are in one room and all of us are together, like having fun, asking questions to each other. This is so nice. Great.
Great answers. Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay.
Let's move on to the next question.
Sure.
Nice. Your turn, Divya.
Okay, so are you a Python person or a Java person, Supriya?
Well, for one, I think this question will have a very varied answer because there are a lot of people who work on Java and Python. But if I am to choose for myself, I would choose Python because I have never connected with Java really. So yeah,
Okay, so let's see what our friends are gonna tell us. Okay, Python, Python, oh Java. There's
Nishita,
one person who tells Java. Great.
awesome. There are so many
Uh,
Pythons and also a combination. Like I said, I can see a lot of Java
yeah,
responses as well.
true.
Great, awesome job. So we are almost ending, and there are only a few questions left. So buck up, guys. We would love to hear from all of you. So here is the next question.
Okay, here we go,
Would you
Supriya.
rather
What do
have
you have for me?
Would you rather have a lifelong subscription of coding and technology related applications or Netflix and Hotstar?
That's a good one, Supriya. Okay, so since writing is my profession, I would choose to have free subscription of Netflix and Hotstar. I mean, who doesn't love to have free subscription of Netflix and Hotstar?
Cool. Hi, Varsha. Coding is love, of course.
Tough question. Yeah, it is
Awesome.
good.
Both
Not
good.
that's option.
Well, tough to choose. I know we had the same time like coming up with questions so that it'll be tough for you to choose.
Yeah. Netflix.
So many. I see coding. I see coding. Nice. Great.
Okay, Supriya, diving on to the next question. So, would you rather first check your email every morning or check your social networks every morning?
This is a little tricky, but I lean mostly towards the social network group of people, and I would love, like when I wake up in the morning, I would love to just scroll around, check WhatsApp, Instagram to see what's going on out there and what my friends are doing. So I actually do that. I check social networks every morning.
Great. High five, Supriya.
Wow, I see so many people saying email. That
Email,
is
emails, always emails. Oh God, yeah.
so many
Honestly,
guys.
social networks. WhatsApp,
Nihala, nice to see.
WhatsApp, because online classes.
WhatsApp,
Oh, God.
nice.
Okay.
So good. Loving your energy, guys. So nice. We have such a nice audience, and to connect online like this is just boosts up in us our energy. So moving on, here is another question we have for you. Would you rather have unlimited free but slow internet or paid limited internet?
Well, definitely paid but limited internet. Who really needs a slow internet though it's free or unlimited? It's the most irritating part to have. Limited but fast internet, it's far better.
Correct. Well, I share the same opinion too. Paid but
I,
fast internet.
I think
You can
everyone else has the same thing.
and all of that. That's great.
Yeah. Let's check
Let's
out, I
see
think,
comments. Paid limited internet. Hi Bharti. Hi Seema. Paid but limited internet. Nice.
limited and free.
Well, Priyal says unlimited and free. Well, that's a nice variation. Cool. Awesome. Great. Let us move on to our next question. Well, this is the last question we have for this session. So I hope all of you jump into the chat box and participate with us.
Okay, so before winding up, Supriya, I would like to ask the last question. So, would you rather have infinite battery for your mobile phone or infinite fuel for your car? Which one do you prefer? I know it's a very tricky one.
Well, current scenario, I don't drive a car, so yeah, infinite cell phone battery would be the best.
Okay, so
But
let's see what
this
our friends
question
are
is
saying.
really tricky. I'm really interested to know what everyone out there has to tell.
Fuel for car, Vidya.
Nice. Awesome.
Great, amazing.
Well, such we are like overwhelmed with the responses, and I'm sure all of you guys would have had fun. And we know we sure did hosting this session for you. And let us keep this energy throughout the 4 days of IWD. And well, believe me when I say it is going to be a lot of fun and interesting. So on this note, I would like to pass on to you, Divya.
Yeah, we really enjoyed the show. We really enjoyed the show. And I hope you guys had so much fun, but not knowing which one to pick. I think a few of them were a little tricky. Yeah. Interesting sessions are awaiting. Stay home, stay safe. See you. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.